Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Mighty keep you happy and keep you continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet swimming dresses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos, is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want watch to any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am grateful to people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember. Take care. Bye.